Good morning, good morning, good morning. How you guys doing? So I got some socks and a card here. And you may say, why does he have socks and some cards? Well, recently I walk into my exam room and a patient that I had not seen in probably 5 or 6 years comes in, and she hands me these socks and a card. And I'm like, thank you, I appreciate it. You know, I'm not above taking gifts if you got a personal reason behind it. Thank you, these some cool socks. I'm a sock guy. But why are you giving me the socks and the cards? I appreciate it. She said, Dr. Ramsey, you don't know. She said, you saved my vision. Now, I hadn't seen her in a while, so it didn't really spark to me exactly what she was saying and what she was in reference to. So I had to, rush and try and read my charts and try and figure that out. And she says, I saw you 6 years ago, and I was having migraines that I've been going to my primary care doctor for years. And they just kept giving me medication and it wasn't working. And she said, one day I was driving and my vision was fluctuating. It wasn't bad, I wasn't seeing clearly as I normally do. Vision was going in and out. So I came in to see you. And you saw me, and after you did the exam, you walked me to the ER. So those who have not been to my office know that there is an emergency room in my plaza, about 4 doors down. There's an emergency room. She said, you walked me to the emergency room. You told the attending that you needed an MRI and a lumbar puncture, and what tests to run and things you needed. And you connected me with a neuro-ophthalmologist and different things. And you told the attending what to do, and then you left. Now this patient I had tried to follow up before, after the event, but she got lost to follow up, which happens sometimes. And she says, what you did not know is that I had over 20 surgeries after you saw me. And all the docs were surprised that, you ordered the appropriate tests, you did the right things. And they said, if you didn't bring me in here, I could have went blind. And he says, you don't know, but you saved my vision. And I've been trying to get to you, but I spent a whole year in the hospital doing different surgeries and then issues and complications with the surgeries and the different things. And she said, I've been trying to get to you for 6 years, and I finally felt well enough to come out and get out and see you and thank you. And she said, she asked the people on her Facebook, what should you get them? And their suggestion was some eye. So this is an eyeball sock, and this has some glasses on here. This is cool. This is funny. I like that. I'll take that. I'll wear that. And a nice card, a personalized card. And she wanted to thank me. And I saw her, and I was happy to see she's 20/20 today. And her vision is doing well. And I was just happy to see her. And I post this video and I'm sharing this to let you guys know that, it's amazing. And I'm so happy to be in the business that I'm in. And I'm happy to see the success stories of people coming in to my office and many other optometrist offices around the country. And the good work pays off. And working with physicians and other doctors to figure out what's the best course of action for their outcomes and for their patients' health. And it was amazing. And to tell you the truth, this week I was having a little rough week. It was a lot of stuff going on. It was a lot of stuff behind the scenes. I won't get into that, but it was a lot of stuff going on. And it was a very stressful week. And this was my last patient on the last day of the week. And I was like, you know what? Just grit your teeth, get through it, go in there, give them the Dr. Ramsey vibe, and hype myself up and go in there and give them all you got. And I walk in and she hands me this, and I literally, I don't try to tear up too much, but I literally got teared up a little bit because I was so happy to hear the outcome, and I was always concerned about what happened and what happened with her. And I was just so happy that she cared and she wanted to let me know the impact that had. So I challenge you today, if there's anything going on, seek out your local eye doctor. Don't skip out on that. There are a lot of things that we can see in the eye, from diabetes to high blood pressure to glaucoma, cataracts, macular degeneration, and sometimes medicine that you're taking can have an eye effect. You never know what a simple to you eye exam can have and impact your vision and impact your life. So I challenge you today, if you're watching this video, anything, go get an eye exam. If it's with me or with somebody else, because you never know what that small thing of getting an eye exam, how that can do or have an impact on your life. So if you feel any kind of funny, you never know if the eye exam can be the thing that turns around and changes your life for the better. So I challenge you today. Nice seeing you.